Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Blue Willow AI on mobile. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. First, start by opening the browser on your phone and search for the Blue Willow AI's official website. After that, click the Join the Beta button. Then it will direct you to the Discord server. Then just accept the invitation. Once you enter the server, you have to click the 3-bar icon on the top left corner. Then select any rookie room you want. In the chat bar, just type /imagine to create a prompt. Then give any keywords you want based on how you want your image to look like. Then press enter. You will have to wait for the results, and when it appears, you can upscale it or make adjustments by clicking the options U1, U2, U3, or U4, and V1, V2 up to V4. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.